What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're taking a look at this organic chamomile mint detox tea. Now, I've been testing teas a little bit here recently. I don't know, for whatever reason, I've really just gotten into tea recently, kind of trying to get away from how much coffee I drink, especially into the afternoons. And this is the first time I've done like a detox tea or an organic tea. So I really didn't know what to expect. I won't go too much into detail on the detox tea, but I actually, even within 2 days, can already feel some of the effects of that detox. We will leave that there. But what I've been really surprised with this one specifically is it is a very good taste. I probably have about 4 or 5 teas that I kind of rotate through, and I think this actually might become a regular taste-wise. I find this one as good as some of the other ones that I've drank. I really like the mint. It's actually the first time I've had a mint tea. Really, really soothing in the afternoon. Really have liked it. You can see here, it supports healthy digestion, soothes and relaxes. And to me, that's kind of a big deal of why I drink tea. Maybe this is a little bit of placebo, but to me, really good teas are relaxing. They soothe me. They kind of bring me down the afternoon. I really, really do like this one. You can see you have 25 milligrams per serving of caffeine. You can see, again, forgive me of the packaging on this one. That's actually kind of my fault. This is my second one. The one that's already open is over there. You can see the tea bags here. The Kiss Me Organics is the brand. As always, really simple to open. You already have a little bit of a pre-tear there. And I'll let you kind of just see all the packaging. I don't want to read all of this. It's kind of a waste of time. I do want to kind of go over ingredients so you guys can see that stuff here. Again, I don't want to read all of this, but you're welcome to pause it if you want to see any of it. I'm super lazy. I literally just use my Keurig to do all the hot water. But again, I really like this tea. I think if you're looking for a detox tea or an organic tea, this one is a big winner. I'm going to continue. I'll go through the entire thing of it, and if I have a change in my perspective, if I don't feel the same way about it by the end, I'll let you guys know. But really liking the taste more than I thought I would, and can already start to feel the detox effects. So curious how it's going to continue to progress as I go through the entire container of it. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. And if you're looking for a good detox tea, a good mint tea, a good organic tea, this is definitely a good one to try out.